This is not sponsored, by the way. This is not sponsored. BOXYCHARM though, if you want to hit me up and sponsor me, I'm your girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Veronica Mars, as you know, and today I am reviewing September's Boxy. I finally got my first BOXYCHARM in the mail. August's box did not come. It got stolen and then I never got my replacement. So this is my first one. Let's start opening the bitch up. Alrighty then. Y'all are not gonna be looking. I'm not shaven, I don't have makeup on, I don't care. What I am going to do today is not only review this box, but like make something with it, like look. Alright, this is what's in it. This is what it looks like. That's kind of dope. I do say so myself. Ooh, okay, so let's see. Glam vibes only. I don't want to look at what it comes with. I just want to see that. Ooh, okay. So first what I see is Huda Beauty. Ooh, matte and metal melted shadows. That's cool. That's so dope. Okay. Ooh, Luna Magic, Los Angeles, New York. They have brushes. Oh, that's cool. I love that. That's everything, actually. All right, let's see what's inside. Ooh, this brush. These look like eyeshadow brushes. These are clearly eyeshadow brushes. So you have this one, and this one. I love them. They came in this little bag too, which is super cute. I will say that this is a little frayed at the end, so I'm just gonna take that off. Okay. Next, we have Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Eye Cream. Ooh, that's cool. Let me put it over here. I'm gonna open that bitch up right now. I'm gonna open it up right now. Okay. I'm just gonna open it. I really wanna smell it. I really, really wanna smell it. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, that smells amazing. I'm gonna keep that for later. And then we have a Nourishing Hand Cream. Oh, that's cool. That's so cool. What does it smell like? I'm not opening this. Don't want to open that one. I swear, it's like, oh yeah, Veronica's recording. Time to mess that bitch up. Can I live? Can I live? Ooh. And then we have a palette. I'm so excited for this palette. Evening Glamour. Limited edition palette. That is so cool. What colors does it come with? I mean, they're fine. It's a fine enough palette. We have Sundown, Eventide, Midnight, Nightfall, Eve, Sunset, Twilight, and Dusk. And it comes with a mirror. Super cool. That's everything. It came with this. Alright. So was this worth I bought three, $70, something like that. Okay, so this is $45. The palette was $26. Eyeshadow was $25. Hand cream was $14. And then this was $18. So that's a pretty good deal. I'm not gonna lie. Let's throw this shit away. I throw it away, I mean throw it on the floor. Yep. I don't have a base on and I haven't shaved, but I'm still gonna try out the palette and brushes because they look cool. And liquid eyeshadow. Should I try that? No. Not right now. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. You know, I was a little worried because this box is kind of small, but like, that had some good stuff in it. Okay, you're down there now. Let's swatch. I'm not gonna do all that. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do it on this eye. I'm only gonna do one eye. Should I do two eyes? I don't know. Does it tell you what the brushes are for? I'm just gonna guess. This is obviously for blending, and I think this is for crease, so I'm gonna take, I had to wait for a helicopter to go by and a train to go by. I hate living in the city. I would rather die. So I'm gonna take the color Eventide, which is this one. I'm gonna put that in my corner, the corner of my eye. Ooh, it come really, fuck what I said about not being pigmented. That is a lot. I'm living for this. Probably some Nightfall right here. This doesn't look very clean. I see that. Let's do some more up here. Oh, this is clearly gotten away from me. I just don't know how to put on eyeshadow, I guess. Got a makeup remover in here. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. I did what I did. So I'm gonna put Nightfall probably right here. And under my eye. Okay, that's doing a little something. I quite like these shadows, all things considered. Now I'm gonna go in probably with this brush and just fix it. And it comes with a mirror too. I love palettes with mirrors. It's my first one. So I'm gonna put, ooh, I like this one. I'm gonna put the sunset color on my lid, like here. Ooh, that's really pretty. You guys see that? That's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna oh my god, you know what? This is the perfect time. I'm gonna lay down sunset, then I'm gonna put that liquid shadow on. That sounds like a really good idea, actually. I really wish I hadn't gone overboard over here. That was a mistake. It doesn't matter. You live and you learn. That is really intense. I don't know how, I don't know how to put on eyeshadow. I'm getting there. I'm trying. Seeing what works and what doesn't work. That was like one of the first things I said in my first video. You know, testing to see what works and what doesn't work. Really all I've been doing. I don't know how to open this. This is packaging, giving me a run for my money. Here we go. Melted shadows, what the fuck? I've never used this before. What is this doing? What is this? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. It's upside down. Oof, that could have been bad. Ooh, that's really pretty. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow, that got on my eyelash. Oh, that's everything. Hold on, hold on, hold the hell on. Why is that everything? Finally, some good fucking food. Okay, all right. You know what? I'm gonna use this like eyeliner. I love that. I love that. Okay, so. Oh, I love that. It's two-sided too, so I don't know what the other side is. Let me look. Oh, it's, oh my god, matte and metal. That makes sense. This one is a matte one. I'm an idiot sometimes. That's okay, that's okay. Ooh, that looks amazing. Oh, I love it, I love it. I'm probably not gonna put on mascara because I don't feel like dealing with that tonight. If I'm being totally honest. Okay. I'm gonna pop this Twilight White in and then call it a day. And then give you guys my overall opinion on BOXYCHARM, if it's worth it and whatnot. People coming down the street with copyrighted music playing. That's that, I guess. I'm only gonna do it on the one eye because I don't care about the other eye right now. Okay, so, ooh, shit. Final thoughts. So I bought 3 of them. Went ahead and got 3 of them for $70. So I got August, September, and October. And I never received August's box. I get it delivered via FedEx, and FedEx doesn't have a key to my building, so they just left it outside. So I'm assuming someone stole it. I emailed them, I was like, hi guys, my box said it was delivered, it never showed up. I contacted FedEx, and I like asked my neighbors if they had seen anything. They said no, and FedEx said it had been delivered. I was like, okay. So I emailed them, and they were like, okay, sorry about that. Here's another one. And then I saw in my emails that they had actually ordered me another one. So it was like an order for an August box. And it was $0, so I didn't have to pay for it. I was like, okay, that's good. And BOXYCHARM, if you guys don't know, they offer 1 replacement box a year. So I wasted my 1 replacement box on a box that probably is never gonna get here. So this was September's box, and August's box, I don't know. I'm probably gonna email them after this video goes out because I really like the stuff in here. It seems good quality. Like the eyeshadows were very, very pigmented. You see that? Liquid shadow, amazing. I've always wanted one. I said in my 5-minute crafts video that I wanted one. I got one. They gave me a little bag for brushes. They gave me some eye cream, which is really good, and some lotion. So it just a good box. Like BOXYCHARM is good. Like it well worth what I paid for. Like altogether, I think I have to read the little card, but altogether it's like what? About 150, I think. I'm not sure. Well over $100, which is not at all what I paid for it. So I think each box is about $23 to $26. I might be wrong, but for that, it's pretty good. And it tells you everything, like where it came from, and the hashtags, which is cool. I'm excited. Like this was a good box, and I'm lucky to have received it. And thankful. I'm very thankful. I'm gonna put everything back now. Put this box to rest. I'm really sad that I haven't got my August box yet. I probably will never see the August box. Too late, but you know, whatever, it's fine. I got this box and I love it. Anyways, that's the video, that's the review. That's my Boxy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you'll stick around for next time, because as you know, the content will only get better. Love you guys. Bye.